rapid modeling for manufacturing. Alphacam Part Modeler is a cost-effective 3D modeling tool for Alphacam users. Specifically designed for quick and simple construction of solid models. Alphacam Part Modeler provides advanced modeling tools to create 3D parts. Full associativity is maintained across 2D and 3D, isometric plan and orthogonal views. Full drawing and presentation facility to be able to import and display your models with drawing layouts that instantly update when a model is altered. The new 2D to 3D functionality takes a 2D wireframe drawing and with the use of views converts it to 3D. Clean and healed surfaces to quickly restore imported files that need repairing. Alphacam Part Modeler will import and manipulate files from most CAD systems, including SolidWorks, Inventor, DXF, step files, and many more. Quick links within Alphacam Part Modeler allow geometry to be pulled directly from Alphacam and solid models to be passed to and from Alphacam.